Welcome to my home garage. Do you have an Audi A4, an Audi Q5 or A4 of the B8 generation? And when you're applying the brake and you're just driving, I'm just applying the brake and holding it. It almost feels like the ABS is activating, and it is activating. And there it is. All your lights come on for the ABS and the parking brake. And when you check the code in the system, you'll have a code for a pressure sensor, lower limit not reached. I'll show you guys that after. So when you turn the car off and you turn it back on, the light will be out. Okay, that's just because the parking brake's on. So let's take a listen to the brake pedal while it's on. Okay, I'll shut the car off so you can hear better. Brake pedal's hard as a rock. Okay, now let's start the car up. Because now we're allowing the vacuum pump to fill the chamber. Okay? Okay? So I believe our culprit is the brake booster. I have to prove concept today. So we're gonna remove this strip right here, and we're gonna remove this cowl. So here's our brake booster. I believe this thing is leaking somewhere. So let's just listen to it while I activate the brake. So I'm just gonna leave you right here, and I'm just gonna depress the brake. I don't know if you guys heard that, but I don't know if the sound's coming from the inside of the vehicle or the outside, but I believe that there is a leak somewhere here. So what we're gonna do today is, hold on. Let's test this brake booster on this Audi Q5. It's been having issues with the brake and with a code for vacuum boost pressure correlation. So let's test the booster. So we're letting it run for a while. We're gonna depress the brake pedal. So we're gonna depress the brake pedal right there, just a little bit, not much. And then we're gonna turn off the vehicle and let's watch the brake pedal. Look how it comes up. See how my foot's coming up? There's no more vacuum assist, it's completely gone. So the brake booster either has a vacuum leak inside of the booster, and as soon as you turn off the vehicle, you lose all vacuum assist, and that's what this car is having a problem with. So now let's check the check valve, and if the check valve's good, then the booster is bad 100%. You see what I did? Watch. Start the vehicle. Look, it's already hard. So let's see. Let's give it 30 seconds. There should be a little bit of vacuum building up in the booster now, so we depress it down a bit. Ready? Car off. See how the spring pressure is overcoming the vacuum pressure? I can't hold the brake down. You should have assist, but it's a hard pedal already. Look, it's already hard. It should go down 4 or 5 times with vacuum assist. So, okay, so now we just want to remove the cowl. It's very simple. Remove this. So we're gonna do our best not to remove and disconnect electrical components. Okay. I said we're gonna do our best. All right. So here is the harness, engine harness. All right. Because that gives me any leeway. I can remove this part here, I guess. All right. All right. Is that gonna be enough, or is it gonna hit? Here's the line. Looks like it's gonna hit the line. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna disconnect the battery. Give me a second.